Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we receive a machine sent in for broken parts because the owner say the cat jumped on the machine and the machine fall down to the floor and broken the two L joint. So customer sent in for together with deep cleaning. Okay, let's start. So we record this, just make sure the machine is in good condition because when the box sent in there were moisture at the box, so our suspect is that the water was not dripped completely off the machine and there's a risk of short circuit if there's leaking. Alright. Usually when we send in, we transfer machine, we highly recommend that we drain out all the liquid. The enhancer should be out actually, but never mind since it's already done. Hopefully there's not leakage inside the machine. And the second thing is that normally we will recommend to dry the filter so that there's no liquid in the machine. But let's see. We will try to power on and make sure the machine is in working order before we start the deep cleaning. Yeah, I think we have spare power plug on the wall. So we're going to plug into power plug. I'm not sure whether it's long enough. Yeah, move the machine next to our in-house machine and plug on the power.
So you check
Okay,
on this side?
so no.
No, you
Oh, check on
that
that.
side.
Okay, alright. So we are power on. And yep, the screen light up as expected for 2 seconds and then let's power on.
Power on. Clean
Alright, try every button.
Kangen water. Kangen water 8.0. Kangen
Alright,
water
blue button,
9.0.
purple button working,
Clean
green button
water.
working.
Beauty water.
Okay. Yes,
Strong and
all
acidic
button
water.
working. And try to see if
Power
we can
on.
change the volume. Alright. Loud, off, low. Okay, let's make it loud. Confirm.
Power on.
Okay, machine
Strong and
is
acidic
in
water.
electronic wise is fully working, but now we want to test
Kangen
if the
water
machine is
9.0.
producing pH 9.5 properly. Okay, so we realize the white hose that is connecting the water source to the machine is in very bad condition, as you can see. So we are changing to a new one. Right, this is a new one, very clean and very new. And just to take this chance to tell you about the specialty of this white hose. This white hose is food grade, because this machine is a medical grade, medical certified machine. So everything, all the parts used has to be food grade and certified. So this hose has a clear membrane inside. Unlike the PVC hose you found on the market, this one has a clear membrane inside. So it's meant for transporting safe water. Okay. Okay, these are the broken parts. Broken parts because apparently the machine was fall down from a countertop when the cat jumped on it. So it broken the L connector and we have successfully changed to a new one. This is how the new one looks like. Okay, so we'll be changing two of them and 1 meter of white hose so far. So this is where it breaks. Okay, just in case you're curious, this is how the L connector look like when it's brand new. Brand new. So in Kangen Water Specialist Store, we have all the replacement part and services. We cover everything from top to bottom. If you have any question about a machine, you can let us know. So we are screwing in the new L connector to the machine. You have to make sure the grey hose and the white hose is in the correct direction, otherwise your machine will be taking in water on the wrong hose and discharging water at the other wrong hose. So as you see, the grey hose go onto the right hand side, the white hose go to the left hand side. Is there a ball inside the hose just now?
No.
No. So there's supposed to be a ball to control the water pressure, but it seems that the machine comes with no balls, tiny balls. So we just leave it as is. Okay, so now we are testing the machine before deep cleaning, how efficient it is in producing ionized water. So one of the simple way to do is to test the pH and betadine. So we're going to do a pH test as a betadine test. So this is 9.5 Kangen water, and the first cup will be doing a pH test. So if it's still purple, okay, this is blue, that means the ionization is not as strong. This is somewhere around 8, maybe 8. If you're lucky, you get 8.5. So this is 9.5 suppose, so not very purple. And this is a betadine test to see whether the antioxidant property is still in the water. So it goes transparent, that means it's still okay. Alright, I can see some yellowish there. I'm not sure the camera can pick up, but there's some yellowish stain. So not very well performed now. Okay, the filter is long overdue. The last change, the filter last change is 2018,
4 years ago.
April, 4 years ago. So yeah, a lot of customers are not well educated that the filter need to be changed to maintain a good quality of Kangen water. So actually you're supposed to change the filter every 6,000 liter of consumption. That works out usually to be 6 months to 12 months, depends on your usage. But so we are going to leave this machine running like this for how long? 30 minutes.
45 minutes.
45 minutes. This is a concentrate or food grade citric acid in the water. You are running through to the machine, go to the filter compartment, go into the electrolysis chamber, and come out from the top hose, and basically cycle through for 45 minutes. Right? See you later.